last he had come on 6th May. Okay. But it is reported that earlier also he had come as a OPD patient. Got it checked. We are not sure on which ailments. And then he had gone. But he came as an inpatient on 6th, 7th he was transferred to the Lajos. When he came on 6th, 6 sample was collected. 7th he was transferred to the GV hospital.
So, like all those who are tested positive, all are asymptomatic till now?
Except 2. The first one was from where the chain started. And second one is that Kamalpur one. When they came, they were symptomatic. The first one did not have the classical symptom. He had the stomach pain and fever, which is not the classic. Classic is cough, respiratory problem and fever, which second one had. First one had the stomach, which is now that knowledge is evolving that having a stomach pain, loss of smell and loss of taste, etc. is also a symptom which should be watched. So he fell in that category.
The first person you are talking about, what was his travel history? When he came to BSF last, what was his travel history?
His travel history, he came on 11th March from a 1-month holiday from his home. Since then, till on 24th, 22nd, when he was posted at Karina BOP, he was in the battalion headquarters, working as quartermaster or helper to the quartermaster. In between, on 2nd and 4th, he had gone to Gandachira once for some administrative job. He went there, did the job and came back. So 22nd, he went to the Karina BOP. 23rd, he complained of the pain. So he was brought to his Gandachira Adam base, which is another BOP. 24th, he was in Gandachira hospital, and 25th he was there, 26th he was shifted to Ulai. And then the rest is known to all of us. Now the vigil work is not getting hampered because those who have been brought in here are mostly from the headquarters. So BOP operations are going on. But yes, there would be a sense of which we all feel of demoralization, how things are spreading so fast in India. So that we have talked to the RG and we have told them that we are with them. They are doing the border protection. So if it's a bad time for them, we are with them. All our resources are with them. So our combined resources should take care of the whole requirement. But yes, from the society side also there is a need, and I appeal through you to all the society members that please do not treat all BSF personnel as corona positive. They are not. So they are as good as anybody else. They are doing their job, patrolling our borders and keeping us safe from Bangladesh side. So I appeal through you all of them that please do not treat everybody as with fear and suspicion.
Sir, do you collect the sample from this containment zone? What you have declared today?
उनके रिगार्डिंग इनके जो एडमिट हुए थे उनके रिगार्डिंग कितनों को क्वारंटाइन किया गया और सैंपल दिए गए?
जो बीएसएफ पर्सनल था वो सब इंस्पेक्टर था, ठीक है। तो उसके तहत ये कमलपुर हॉस्पिटल से 6 लोगों को क्वारंटाइन कर दिया गया था, बल्कि 6 लोगों को क्वारंटाइन कर दिया गया है। जब वो आया था तब कमलपुर हॉस्पिटल में they did a very good thing. They kept them under a separate flu ward. So no other patient or anybody else came in his contact. So the staff to whom they had reported who had taken care of him for a day, that those 6 personnel have been identified and quarantined. आपको बता दिया है, उनके मोबाइल नंबर है, they will get in touch. और जो लोग अम्बासा में हैं उनके लिए मैंने ये बोल दिया है, उनका अम्बासा में ही सैंपल कलेक्शन किया। मुझे लिस्ट दे दो, मैं सब बता रहा हूँ, मुझे क्या पता। तो जो लोग विलिंग हैं, आप मुझे लिस्ट दे दो, मैं बता रहा हूँ।